I'm gonna pull over and stretch my legs.
I think he was supposed to keep left there.
What is this place?
The other side of the rest stop.
Bundles as far as the eye can see.
If you're looking for a first mate, I know a guy. Me, I'm the guy.
Is this Oak?
4 types of jerky. This is where I live now.
You could save a ton with Progressive by bundling your boat or RV with your home and auto.
Hey guys, free bags! They're just giving them away.
You assumed I couldn't hoop because I'm white.
No, I assumed you couldn't hoop because you were dressed like a white girl at Whole Foods.
White men can't jump only on Hulu. And get the biggest movies and shows by adding Disney Plus to Hulu.
This is different.
Disney Plus and Hulu, better together. Get the Disney bundle today.
I will be a travel influencer.
Hey, I thought you were on vacation.
It's too expensive.
Use Priceline. They've got deals no one else has.
What about work?
I got you.
Looking great, you guys. Go to your happy price, Priceline.
Can a cream really reduce wrinkles? More than 100 women tried L'Oreal Triple Power.
The wrinkles look so much softer now.
Triple Power visibly reduces wrinkles, firms, and brightens.
I'm amazed.
I saw results in 1 week.
Revitalift Triple Power from L'Oreal Paris.
It does what it says.
Peacock is for finding a new obsession you.
Happy to meet you.
Gotta be on the edge of your seat you. Could use a killer movie night you.
You should run.
Peacock, the go-to for every you.
To really make your summer, make the most of our summer savings, the most of our know-how, and the most of our low prices. Best of all, you can make it all in one trip. Summer savings means summer doing. Get started now and make your summer with the Home Depot. How doers get more done.
You guys said, do you want to make a documentary? And I went, yeah.
Still dancing with my eyes.
Life is unpredictable. I feel like every moment I'm learning.
Dancing with my...
And then fireworks, and then kissing, and then Disney.
I'm Joe Torres. Tonight on Eyewitness News at 11, Suffolk County officials fight to keep asylum seekers out, a teenager shot in a park in Newark, and a celebration of life on what would have been the 51st birthday of the notorious B.I.G.
It's your journey. Own every mile in the Hyundai Tucson with America's best warranty. Lease a Tucson for $249 a month or get 0% APR for 36 months or $750 bonus cash. Hurry in.
Not bad. Hard.
Someone's chasing you. No, that's not good. We need a lock on this.
Sure do.
You keep your family safe from all the things you can see. Spectrum One's advanced Wi-Fi automatically takes care of all the things you can't.
Okay, ready for the second floor?
Because if it's connected, it's protected. That's state-of-the-art security. That's Spectrum One.
Summer's here, and with an exciting new Toyota, you can take a trip to the beach, the city, the mountains, the desert, the bayou. I think I'm sinking. Definitely sinking.
Right now, lease a new 2023 Tacoma for just $339 a month. Plus, every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care, our no-cost service plan.
Your summer starts here.
Toyota, let's go places.
Welcome back to the show. It was 20 years ago to the day when almost 40 million people witnessed an American Idol finale for the ages, and this unlikely duo shared the stage together as your top two. Now, their friendship and their showmanship are stronger than ever. We're so excited. They're here tonight to help us crown a new winner with the impossible dream. Please welcome Clay Aiken and Ruben Studdard.
the brave dare not go. To right the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chaste from far, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. The world will be better for this. Not one man scorned and covered with scars, still strong with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable, the unreachable, the unreachable star.
Clay, Aiken and Ruben Studdard. Good to see you, gentlemen. Wow. Clay, when you think back to that night, that finale, what do you remember the most about that night?
Besides losing?
Yeah,
Just that. No, yes. No, it was an incredible experience. We were both exhausted. I'm sure these two are exhausted, ready to get to work, though.
And 20, the tour, Ruben. Tell us about that. Congratulations, 50-plus dates. Wow.
Such a wonderful time. We get the opportunity to be on stage with each other, sing songs that we love, and just, have a good time, man.
And it all starts in September. Thank you both for being here. Great to see you. I'm still down here. One more time, Clay Aiken and Ruben Studdard. Thanks, guys. Good to see you. Take care. We can head that way. And here we are, the top two. Wow. So I'm just curious, what are you guys most looking forward to doing when this is all over?
Making music, I think.
Yep.
Going home.
Yeah. Well, you'll both be making more memories soon. Surprise! Each of you will be taking up to 3 guests on an enchanting Disney Cruise Line vacation. Aboard Disney Wish. You will enjoy world-class dining, immersive Disney entertainment with some of your favorite characters, and a day at Disney's private island paradise, Castaway Cay. So enjoy, have fun,
Thank you so much.
and sing while you're there too. All right, after the break, Ian and Megan sing for your votes for the final time. They have come a long way. Here's how you could take a chance and chase your own idol dream. Watch this, we're right back.
Our next search for a superstar has already begun.
The audition was super easy. I literally just had to open up my computer and audition online.
Went from auditioning for the show in my garage and then just hanging out here in Hollywood with everybody. It's kind of crazy.
Go to the official American Idol website for details.
Baby, when you're...
If you want to follow your dreams, go audition on American Idol right now.
Next season's Idol could be you.
This is rated R.
I'm trying to get back home.
Any landmarks you remember?
I remember the devil in the sky.
Look at that guy.
In hell. I hate space. This is Will Ferrell.
I'm having a great time.
Look at this guy, huh? With a
Home firm. What did you just say?
Hey, go tell him, Reggie.
I would hate for this to get violent.
This is Jamie Foxx. I was recently with this guy. Best sex of my life.
Wow. It was nice to meet you.
Hold up. We're completely lost. How could this get worse? Strays, only in theaters, rated R.
Could I get the 10-piece chicken McNuggets? Wait, no, Big Mac.
Sir?
Oh, I'm still here.
Get one favorite like a Big Mac or 10-piece chicken McNuggets and get another for just $1 right now at McDonald's.
Have you noticed everything that follows no offense is offensive? Like, no offense, but you're overpaying for your wireless plan. See? Offensive.
Unlimited plans as low as $35 from Straight Talk. And now get a free phone on select plans at Walmart.
With Allegra, we live life our way. Allergies don't hold us back. Allegra starts working 2 times faster than Claritin. And unlike Zyrtec, it won't make us drowsy. Allegra lasts all day, up to 6 times longer than Benadryl. Allegra gives you the fastest, non-drowsy 24-hour allergy relief, so you can live your greatness.
Lowe's knows the first step to motivation
is inspiration.
So we've got new everything. New flooring, new paints, new patio sets, new pillows. I can keep going if you want me to. You got this. We got you.
This is Wayne Chung. He's Chinese, like you.
Okay. I need your help. Let's do this thing.
A little dramatic, if you ask me.
Summer's here, and with a new Toyota, you can go out and have s'more fun. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's crispy. Anyone?
Right now, get 3.99% APR for 48 months on a new 2023 Camry. Toyota. Let's go places.
So hungry.
The usual.
Yes. Go for a rub up.
The interior of an Infiniti is thoughtfully designed to be all about you. And by you, we mean every version of you. Because there's luxury you can feel, and there's luxury that lets you feel. Infinitely you. Experience luxury like never before in a 2023 Infiniti QX80 at your local Infiniti retailer.
May is Asian American Pacific Islander Month, a time to celebrate the history, culture, and achievements of Asian communities in the United States. TD Bank is proud to support community events and initiatives that amplify diverse voices and help to bring people together during Asian American Pacific Islander Month and beyond.
With an exciting new Toyota, you can go out and enjoy all your favorite summer activities. Sorry.
Right now, get 3.99% APR for 48 months on a new 2023 Tacoma.
Your summer starts here.
Toyota. Let's go places.
Back with you live on American Idol. Over 17 million votes have been cast. Keep them coming. This past Friday, the top 5 released their brand new singles for the world to hear, and the response so far has been astounding. Your top 2 are about to perform theirs for this final round of competition. But first, here's a behind-the-scenes look at their studio sessions with some of music's most sought-after producers. Watch.
Today we're at the Sound Factory and we're recording our singles.
What's up, man? What's up, buddy? How are you, man? My brother, how you doing, man? Chris, DeStefano.
Nice to meet you. I'm Megan.
Have you ever been in a space like a studio like this?
Never ever in my life. Yes, son. Going from singing in the bathroom to the living room and then now here at Sound Factory, you know, I never thought I'd be here.
All right, yeah, this is the fun part.
Chris has worked with Miranda Lambert, Carrie Underwood, Luke Bryan.
Okay, has worked with John Legend, Miley Cyrus, Lizzo, and he's such a legend in the business, and now he's working with me. It's crazy.
Dude, that was so good. Yes, sir.
Thank you guys. Yeah.
Welcome to the big leagues, man. I think these kids have an amazing future and career ahead of them. Gosh.
I think my single sounds incredible. I can't wait to share this with everybody. That's going to be awesome.
Singing for your votes for the final time with her brand new single, Dream Girl. Please welcome Megan Danielle. What a night. Megan wants to be your next American Idol. It all comes down to your votes. Use all three methods, online, the app, or by texting if you want Megan to walk away with the title. Good luck.
Thank you, man.
Megan Danielle, everyone. We're almost there.
I know.
It is the last vote of the season. The voting has never been more important. And now he's hoping his single will help him win the title. In just a few moments, those words, the winner of American Idol is, will come out of my mouth from that card. Keep voting right now. With I'll Be Seeing You, it is Tongi. If Ian is who you want to be, the next American Idol, lock in your votes for him right now, online, via the app, or by texting your votes. His life could change in a matter of minutes, and you have the power to make it happen. Ian, Tongi, America. Yes, sir. A huge thank you again to all of our guest artists for helping us celebrate, and to Chris Pooley and the band for bringing down the house up here all night. So, this is it. The final voting window will close in this next commercial break. So lock in those votes. When we come back, your American Idol will be named live. Stay right there.
New and next at 11, a 9-year-old boy dies after falling from a 4th-floor fire escape. Attorneys for Jordan Neely respond after Danielle speaks out about that chokehold death on the subway. And will the warm temps stick around for the work week?
Can I help you?
I wanted to mail this.
Okay. Layla is our messenger pigeon. What?
Oh my God.
This is mostly secure. Mostly? Fairly secure. Yes, sir.
This is crazy.
You know what else is crazy? That SMS text that he's sending? It's unencrypted. Other people might see your text just like other people might see that letter.
You're kidding.
No.
Finding a subtly sweet tea is easy.
Nice, right?
Huh. Pure leaf, subtly sweet.
But saying no in a subtly sweet way?
Impressive.
Takes practice.
But absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Pure leaf, lower sugar. Just the right amount of sweetness.
Your house is lovely.
Thank you. I need to introduce you to someone. He was telling me how Geico makes it easy to save on homeowners insurance, so I was thinking...
Well, hello, old friend.
So you have met?
Years ago, we both had big dreams about saving people money on their homeowners insurance. Yeah, just look at us now. Your house is lovely. Yeah, I just said that. Okay, nobody heard you. Okay. I did hear you.
Geico makes it easy to save on homeowners insurance.
The best memories are made in cotton. Always have been. And always will be. So check the label for cotton and make more memories.
Okay, our stress level is off the charts and our anxiety is like, hello. Any ideas? Workaholic Kristen? Just stay busy. Feels very busy right now. Oh, we could eat the kids' leftovers. That's a lot to ask of mac and cheese. Who invited her? Your mom? We have the same mom. Look, we can busy the day away, but there has to be a better approach. Jogging. Side hustle. Doom school. Another mom group. We've tried all that. It's time for something different. See how simple that was? There shouldn't be a stigma about taking medication for anxiety. Get started at forhers.com.
Me and my best friend Amy went for a mini break in Edinburgh. It was quite surreal. We stayed with Tessa. She is this incredible artist. The room that we stayed in, there is a sort of dreamish element running through. Definitely. The world that she's created. It makes you feel like you're in a little storybook or something.
My celebrity colorist? Me. I'm this new Garnier Nutrice. It has 5 amazing fruit oils. It nourishes while it colors. Cool. Covers our grays for improved, richer color. Nutrice. Nourished hair, better color. By Garnier. Naturally.
Jeopardy Masters semifinals are here.
People have been training their whole life for this.
Your favorite Jeopardy champions compete for the ultimate title.
Is there no one else? Jeopardy Masters 2-night semifinals event starts Monday on ABC.
In Element City, there's earth, air, water, and fire. But we don't mix.
Hey! Yo, Ember, check it out. I'm all grown up. And I smell good. Ow! My queen.
From Disney and Pixar.
So you've never left Firetown?
Everything I need is right here.
But the world has so much to offer. Come on.
Whoa.
On June 16th.
I want to explore the world.
Oh, that's how you blow it.
Get ready to live. Out of your element.
You live here? It's my mom's place.
We got 2 kids that are swimming around here somewhere.
Orca! Follow!
Disney Pixar's Elemental, rated PG.
Do you die if you fall in water?
Whoa, kids, right? Don't hate us. Only in theaters. Tickets available now.
Welcome back to the last few moments of this spectacular finale night on American Idol. The voting is now officially closed. Ian and Megan have fought all season long to make it to this point, and now one of them will be named the next American Idol. Thank you both so much. How you doing?
I don't know. I'm happy with it.
You just ready? Ready for it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lionel, looking at these two, looking at all of them this season, what's the pride level for you?
You know, we're parents. I mean, we're the parents of these amazing, talented people. And I'm telling you, we could not be more proud of the fact that the hard work they put in, the diligence, they even love each other after all of this. I can't believe it. But I'm telling you right now, from the parent point of view, their talent is going to take them a very long way.
Katie, everyone's buzzing about this season. What do you have to say to our two finalists?
I just got a vision of Chuck and Rodney holding hands going, look at our kids, they did it.
Yeah.
And Luke, the final word.
Well, yeah, I'm proud of what Dave and all the contestants have done to the show this year. Just the energy of the show this year has just been at the highest level we've all seen since we've been a part of this. And even, like I said, from the buzz that EM's audition created till everybody growing. It's just been an amazing ride this season, watching everybody answer the bell or answer the call and the challenge.
We're all very, very grateful. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Tom, dim the lights, and here we go. After the nationwide vote, the winner of American Idol 2023 is Ian Tongi. Which means Megan and Danielle. You did it. You're the idol. With his single, Don't Let Go, your American Idol.
Take my hand and don't look good. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, baby, stay close. You won't ever have to cry. So I can take from your eyes. As long as you're by my side, you won't shed no tears. Everything will be just fine. As long as you don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Everything will be just fine. As long as you stay by my side. Don't let go.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for voting. We'll see you next year for American Idol. Good night, America.